Okay, got my little clipper here. Gotta be careful here, I don't want to clip the wire. One, two, there we go. There. Jeez. Alrighty. There we go. Gonna have to pull the cable end out. So we get the cable disconnected. Got the brake cable or speedometer cable and the brake cable is disconnected. So ready to take those wonderful Whitworth nuts off. So these things are not super tight. You know, they're on there, they weren't going to fall off or vibrate off, but they weren't super tight. I've got the manual. I'll have to check what the torque is to put them back on. But to be honest, I don't know how I'm going to be able to use the torque wrench because I don't have a socket to go on the end of it that fits these silly nuts. So I'll probably end up I'll look at the torque value and kind of, I've done enough nuts by hand and bolts by hand. I'll end up just doing it by hand, not worrying about it. So these things have kind of a little block washer. Now, one thing I'm going to do is, I don't know if it's entirely necessary, but I'm going to mark those with my permanent marker before I slip those end caps off, just so I get the right end cap on the right side and in the right orientation, the outside to the outside. I doubt if it matters, but it doesn't hurt to do this. So this side is going to make 2 marks, and on the other side I'll just make 1 mark, so that I'll know what the orientation is for the outside. There's my wrench. Here we go. On this side. I'll just make 1. And of course the marker will clean off easily with either electrical contact cleaner or with brake cleaner spray. Although brake cleaner spray is a bugger to use inside. It's not very nice. May open the garage door if I decide to use that. I think I have some electrical contact cleaner. Oops. Alright. One of the washers is stuck in there. The other one's still on the other side anyway. Pry that one out. Now, this guy. That washer didn't pop out either. Okay, well, that's fine. So, let's see now. What I'm going to do is I am going to get my hydraulic jack, and I'm just going to jack the front up a little bit, and then I'll pop those end caps off.